Hi there, thank you for visiting 5-Minute English Listening. I'm Simon Huxley, your English teacher. Today we will be going to Amazon Rainforest and visit a young and pretty lady called Maria. Let's see what she's doing. In the heart of South America, there lies a vast and mysterious place called the Amazon Rainforest. It is home to millions of plants and animals, many of which we have never even seen before. Imagine walking under tall trees that touch the sky, with colorful birds flying overhead and the sound of rushing rivers in the distance. This is the world of the rainforest, a place full of wonder and secrets waiting to be discovered. Our story begins with Maria, a young explorer from a small village near the edge of the forest. Maria had always dreamed of venturing deeper into the green sea of trees. One sunny morning, she packed her backpack with a map, a water bottle, and some fresh fruit.
Today is the day,
She whispered to herself as she stepped onto a narrow path lined with vines and flowers. As Maria walked, the air grew thick and humid, like a warm blanket wrapping around her. She passed giant ferns that swayed gently in the breeze and heard the chatter of monkeys swinging from branch to branch. Suddenly, she spotted something unusual, a bright blue frog sitting on a leaf. Its skin shimmered like a jewel under the sunlight filtering through the canopy. Maria knew this was a poison dart frog, a tiny creature that carries a powerful toxin to protect itself from predators. She smiled, feeling a thrill of excitement. Nature's defenses were both beautiful and clever. Deeper into the forest, Maria reached a clearing where a sparkling stream bubbled over smooth stones. She knelt down to drink the cool water and noticed fish darting like silver arrows in the shallow pools. But then, a low rumble echoed through the trees. It was thunder, announcing an afternoon rain. The sky darkened, and soon, heavy drops began to fall, turning the ground into a muddy canvas. Maria hurried to find shelter under a large leaf, but the rain was refreshing, washing away the dust from her journey. While waiting out the storm, Maria thought about the importance of the rainforest. It is often called the lungs of the earth because the trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to keep our planet's air clean. Sadly, parts of the forest are disappearing due to logging and farming. Animals like jaguars and pink river dolphins are losing their homes. Maria promised herself to learn more and share stories to protect this precious ecosystem. When the rain stopped, a rainbow arched across the sky like a bridge of colors. Maria continued her trek and discovered an ancient tree with roots twisting like giant snakes. Climbing a little way up, she found a hidden viewpoint overlooking a sea of green. From there, she could see the endless layers of the forest. The dark understory with its shadows, the middle layer buzzing with insects, and the emergent trees rising like towers. By evening, Maria returned to her village, tired but full of joy. She had collected leaves, taken notes, and even sketched the blue frog in her journal. That night, around a flickering fire, she told her family about her adventure.
The rainforest is alive. It teaches us patience, respect, and the beauty of diversity.
From that day on, Maria became a storyteller, inspiring others to explore and care for the wild places that connect us all. The Amazon rainforest reminds us that our world is fragile yet full of magic. By taking small steps, like planting trees or reducing waste, we can help preserve it for future generations. So, next time you hear the rain patter on your window, think of Maria and the green heart of the earth beating strong. So, what did you think of Maria's rainforest adventure? What new words or ideas did you pick up today? Feel free to share them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's story and learned something new. This is Simon Huxley, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.